amateurs! How y'all doing? Y'all doing okay? Y'all good? Y'all alright? Yes? Bueno. Alright. So, today, I just felt like doing something a little different. So, honestly, I've been thinking about doing this for like a good minute. So, I'm going to make like a little Philly. Like a little grilled cheese Philly. And I don't gotta keep telling y'all. I'm vegetarian. I don't gotta keep telling y'all it's gonna be fake meat. You already know. The Gardein. You already know what it is. The Gardein. The fake meat. Anyway. We're just gonna do that. It's gonna be a little spicy. It'll be real good. Real tasty. I might make us some fries. I'm not sure. But it's gonna be good though. It's gonna be good though. Make sure y'all go give this video a thumbs up. Come on. Thumbs up. Go like and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the gang. Amateur gang. Gang. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway. Join the amateur gang. Come on now. Come on. We're growing. Slowly but surely. Share the video. Comment. Like. Subscribe if you haven't done that already. I got videos coming every day. Come on. If y'all want more videos, let me know. Say something to me. Say something. It's getting real lonely. Y'all not commenting. Y'all not saying something after these videos. I'm starting to think I'm talking to myself. I'm going insane. I'm going crazy. So let me know in the comments how y'all feeling, how y'all doing, what's up, what's good. And we're gonna get into the video. Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's get it! So first you're gonna prep all your items, right? So you're gonna throw that bread on whatever surface you got. If you want to put it in a toaster, you could put it in a toaster. If not, you could put it on a little flat top thing here, like if you got one. But we're not gonna turn that on just yet because that bread cook fast. It go like that. So first, we're gonna get this meat ready. We're gonna get this meat ready with some oil, olive oil. You can make sure you cut up your lettuce from before so you don't gotta be doing it later. We gonna, oh man, I didn't open it yet. I ain't open it quite yet. Let's put the oil in first. Boom. You don't need too much. See, look at that. Once you see the reflection, boom. That's enough. We're gonna turn that on to high. Yeah, turn that on to high. Boom. Let that heat up. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna open this bag and then I'm gonna come back. Hold on. Alright, amateurs, we got the bag open. We got it open. You wanna see what it look like? That's what it look like. Don't it look like ground beef? Don't it? Look at that. Don't it look like ground beef? Come on. That looks so much like ground beef. So we're gonna throw some of this in the pot because it's already getting hot, as you can see. Yep, you hear that sizzle? That's that sizzle. You don't need too much. Throw a little bit in there. You could probably have enough to make another sandwich. You're gonna close that up. Bing, 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 bing. Gonna shake that up a little bit. Put that to the side. Get your little spatula or whatever you want to cook with. Move it around a little bit. Little bit. I'm gonna need this camera to focus. Me, can you focus on me? Alright. Make sure the piece is nice and broken up. Boom. And then you can start to add your seasonings in there. If you want to add some onions, you can add some onions. And then you could add your little bottle seasonings too. So me, I'm going to put some garlic and some onion powder in. Be right back. Alrighty. The onions are in. We're going to finish off cooking those. Focus. We're going to cook that a little bit. That glare. Alright, guys. My camera can't take the glare from this, so I'm gonna come back when the meat is done, and then when I'm ready to start toasting. And now I want to focus when I'm ready to start toasting my bread. So I'll be back in now. All right, look at that. Look at that. That's ready to go in a sandwich. Yeah, man. All right. Wrong one. Turn on the wrong one. Okay, get it together. Get it together. So, when this bread is toasting, which it will toast in like 2 seconds, I'm going to start to put this Chipotle ranch and sliced cheese. It's going to be like, bam! 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 It's going to go on top of the bread. And then on the other slice, I'm going to put some of the Chipotle ranch on that. And then we're going to put the meat inside. And then we're going to put some lettuce. And then we're going to make this. We're going to make this thing, baby! We're going to make this thing. I'll be back. All right. So, I'm going to turn this down because it's on high right now. We're going to turn it down to like 5 or so. You know, don't burn, so it don't burn. So we got the cheese on there, as you can see, and the Chipotle ranch. We're going to add the meat now, baby. We're going to add the meat to it. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Go, 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 go. Alright, let's see. Let's spread it out evenly. Spread it out evenly. Let's get that little bit on there too, because I don't know why that's frying. I don't know why that's frying. Where that's frying going. So, we're going to do that like that. Can we put a little bit more on there? Should we put a little bit more on there? I don't know, because I might want to make another sandwich. I don't know. What do y'all think? Well, that one will do? I think that one will do. And we're going to put a little lettuce. A little lettuce on there. Ooh, it's coming together so nicely. Ooh. Yeah. We're going to put a little lettuce. I like my lettuce. Lettuce is good for you. If you don't eat lettuce, shame on you. Shame, shame, shame. Alright. Now we're gonna put this on top of here like so. Oops, whoopsie. Bam, flatten it down a little bit. Flatten it down. Oh man, look at the layers on that. Ooh! Ooh! Man, sheesh. We're gonna let that go for like a little bit longer. We're gonna smush it down just a little bit more. And then we're gonna try a little bite, okay? I'm gonna get a nice little bite on camera for y'all.
So guess what, guys? All of the footage of me eating this sandwich on camera has disappeared. Yeah, it's disappeared like the rest of, like the whole beginning of 2020. It's lost. Don't know where it went, but it's gone. Can't re-record it because I'd have to make another sandwich. And I'm kind of full. It was really good. It was delicious. But you guys can see my reaction to it. It was so good though. So good. So good. Anyway, if I find it, I'll post it. But I doubt I'm gonna find it. I'll probably just do a mukbang with it. I'll make it and just do a mukbang and just show you guys. But I can't find the footage at all anywhere on my phone. So, sorry for that. Sorry for that. Yeah, but yeah, I'm tired, so I'm just gonna watch some TV and go to sleep and get ready for the day tomorrow. You guys are probably gonna get like an earlier video tomorrow because I have work in the afternoon. So, yeah. Good night. Peace out, amateurs. Love y'all. I love y'all. It's all love. I love y'all.